Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can disable Windows updates in Windows 11. So first of all you can search here Windows updates and here you can see pause updates. You can click here and then here you can see Windows updates. So now you can select pause Windows updates for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 weeks. And also if you want to disable Windows updates you can go here, right click, then click on show more options, then click on manage, then click on services, then again services, then press W. Also you can scroll down and find Windows update. You can stop from here, then you can go here disabled, then apply, then OK. After that you can come back here, then pause for 1 week to 4 weeks. So let me extend for 4 weeks. In this way you can easily disable Windows updates.